Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to clear content in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then show the Excel document from the now from the clear content in Microsoft Excel. Firstly select from the all text table. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the clear option. Now click for the clear content option. That's it. Now then show the clear content from the Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.